If you are tired of eating plain white rice with the same old Nigerian stew every time, then this vegetable stew is about to become your new favorite. Trust me, you are going to love this recipe.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could chase you with a cold evening. Let a couple.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will be showing you how to make a delicious vegetable sauce that is packed with flavors and vegetables. To make this sauce, you will need fresh pepper, lots of onions, more smoked fish, pumpkin leaves, that is ugu, fresh tomatoes and crayfish. If this is your first time here, I want to specially thank you for clicking to watch this video, and you are welcome to this beautiful family. To begin, place your pan on heat, add some vegetable oil and allow it to heat up. Add the smoked fish and more. Fry them together until they turn golden brown. We want them to have a slightly crispy texture. Do you see how beautiful they look? Yeah. Once they are nicely browned, scoop it out and set it aside. Using the same oil, add a little salt and the onions and fry together. Now add crayfish. If you have never added crayfish directly to hot oil before, I highly recommend you try it after watching this video. There is this nice aroma it gives that even your neighbor will know that something is happening at the next door. Now add your fresh tomatoes, give everything a good stir to combine. Cover and allow it to fry or cook. Next, add the fresh pepper and seasoning cubes. Cover the pan and allow it to cook on low heat until the tomatoes are well fried. After about 2 minutes, add the fried protein and stir everything together until well combined. I tested the sauce and adjusted with more seasoning powder and salt. After that, cover again and let it fry for few minutes. A few minutes later, our sauce is perfectly cooked. Look at that rich color and beautiful texture. At this stage, you can actually serve it just as it is because it's already tasted amazing. But this time we are adding vegetables, so go ahead and add in your vegetables. Cover and allow it to steam for a few seconds, and voila, our sauce is ready. Be careful not to overcook your vegetable, okay? Just look at how colorful, fresh and appetizing this looks. I made this on Sunday morning for my kids and they absolutely loved it. My kids even asked for more because it was a refreshing change from our usual tomato stew and banga stew. You can enjoy this sauce with rice, beans, or even rice and beans cooked together, boiled yams, sweet potatoes, boiled plantain. It is incredibly versatile, delicious, and packed with nutrients. So tell me in the comments, will you be recreating this recipe for your family? If you have watched up till this moment, that means you really enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful and if you will be trying it out for your family. Trust me, your kids are going to love it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.